In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you the best way to display your X live streams directly on your Elementor website. This way your site visitors can watch your X live stream without having to leave your site. To do this, we'll be using the Smashballoon Twitter Feed Pro plugin. It lets you display fast and responsive X feeds on your WordPress website in just minutes with no coding needed. To get started, head over to smashballoon.com and purchase the plugin. After purchasing it, you can install and activate it on your site. To save you time, I've already got the plugin installed and set up on my site. Before I show you how to create an X feed, let's go into X and I'll show you the live broadcast. So let's go to the X Media Studio, and right here we have that live broadcast that's currently being streamed. If I open it up and hit play, this is what the broadcast looks like. And to display a live stream on your X feed, first have to share it as a post on X itself. Just click here, draft a post by writing a caption, and publish it on your page. And if we go to our profile, this is what it would look like right here. All right? So now we can go to our WordPress website, and at the top, we can click on Add New. For the first step of creating an X feed, we'll have to select a feed type. With the plugin, you can display posts from any user timeline, posts from any public hashtag, posts that match a specific search criteria, and any posts from any publicly viewable list. For this demonstration, let's go with the user timeline option, and that's already selected for us, so we can click Next. On this step, we'll have to enter the handle for the account we want to fetch our post from. Let's type it in like this. And that's our handle, so we can click on Next. Lastly, we can select a template for the design of our X feed. You can choose from options like the default, masonry cards, simple carousel, and more. For this demonstration, let's go with the simple cards template, select it, and click Next. Finally, we can see a live preview for a brand new X feed inside the plugin. The feed features the account profile picture and name at the top, a follow button, the number of posts, and the number of followers as well. Underneath that, we have our X content, all our latest posts. You can see our current live stream post is displayed at the top, which is the latest one. And scrolling down, you can see all the other posts on the profile as well. The feed is now ready to be embedded on our Elementor site, but before I show you how to do that, let me quickly show you some customization options too. On the left-hand side under the Customize tab, go into Feed Layout. Here you can modify the layout of your X feed. At the moment, we have the list layout selected, which displays your post in a single column list. Second is the masonry. This one displays your posts in rows and columns. Third is the carousel. This one lets you swipe through the posts inside your feed like so. Let's continue with the list layout. Underneath that, you can choose how many posts you want to display inside the feed initially. Currently, we're displaying 4, and you can see those 4 inside the preview. And if you want to modify it, all you have to do is enter the number of posts you want to display. For example, let's go with 3. And instantly, our preview will update to only display 3 posts. I'm pretty happy with that, so we can click on Save Changes. Let's head back, and this time, let's go and modify the color scheme for our X feed. Click on Color Scheme, and by default, you'll see that this is set to inherit from theme, which means that your X feed will automatically match the design of your WordPress theme. Alternatively, you can go with the light theme, which looks like this, or a dark theme, and lastly, a custom theme, where you can specify the exact colors you want for your feed, like so. So if you wanted a red X feed, you can select this option, and that's what it can look like. And of course, you can modify the text color as well. Right? But for now, we're going to go with inherit from theme and keep it as is. And if you have a color scheme you're happy with, click Save Changes. And lastly, if you want control to moderate the content inside your X feed, go to the Settings tab and click on Filters. Here you have control over what content you want to display inside your X feed. You can choose whether you want to include replies and retweets, and to include any of these, all you have to do is toggle them on like it already has. Underneath that, you can also enter words under the allowed words or blocked words. If you enter words into the first box, your X feed will only display tweets containing those words. Alternatively, with the blocked words, your X feed will hide any posts containing those words. To show you how this works, let's go and type in the word live into the allowed, so our X feed will only show posts containing that word. And right now it's updated, and if I scroll down, and those are the only 2 posts containing the word live, as we can see here. So there's live, and this one has it inside the caption as well. So you can see how that works. I'm going to remove the filter for now, and we can check if the other posts have returned. Here they are. Okay. Now looking further along, you can expand on these filters by showing tweets that contain any of the allowed words or all of the allowed words. And you can set and or criteria as well. So you can tell it to show any of the allowed words and any of the blocked words, or you can set an or setting as well. Lastly, at the bottom, you can also hide specific tweets manually if you want to hide them from your feed. So with these filtering options, you can control the exact X posts you want to display inside your feed. And if you make any changes, just click Save on the top right corner. Okay, so now that you know how to create and customize your X feed, let me show you how we can embed it inside Elementor. Just click on Embed on the top right corner, copy your dedicated shortcode, and click on Add to a page. Next, select the page you want to embed your feed to. Let's go with the home page and click on Add. And because we're modifying an Elementor page, we can click on Edit with Elementor. Okay, so here we are now on our Elementor page. If I scroll down, we can embed our X feed right here. To embed it, we just have to go and add a shortcode block. So let's search for that. We had that one over here, so we can click, drag it, and place it on our page like so. Now it's been inserted into our page, and on the left-hand side inside this box, we can paste that shortcode that we copied earlier. And by doing so, we instantly see a live preview of our X feed on our Elementor site. We can now click on Publish and check out what it looks like on the live website. Now on our live site, if I scroll down, we can find our brand new X feed right here. As I showed you before, we have a heading at the top of the feed, followed by all of our posts in a list layout. And at the top, we have our latest post, which is our live X broadcast. It's playing right now on X. If we want to watch it, just click the middle play button here, and that post will open up like this. You can see that we're live, and we currently have 2 viewers. At the top, we have the caption for the post that we shared, and underneath, you can see the name of the live stream and the account it was published from. And if you want to join and watch it live, just click on the play button, and we can watch along with our X live broadcast directly from our Elementor site. Now your site visitors won't have to go to X just to watch your live stream. They can do it all without leaving your site. And at the bottom, you can see when that live stream was published, with a button to like the post, reply, or copy a link to view it. And because we have other posts inside our feed, you can also click on the arrows on the right-hand side to check out the other posts inside our feed as well. If I close this and scroll all the way to the bottom of the feed, you'll also find a button that says Load More. If I click on that, your X feed will load additional posts directly in your Elementor webpage. And once you choose to end your live stream, that live stream post will just show up as a regular post on your X feed, and site visitors can still go ahead and watch the replay directly from your site too. And there you have it. That's how we can easily embed a live X stream post on your Elementor website in just a few steps with no coding needed. If you have any questions about what I covered in this video, please let me know in the comments below. If you have any issues, please contact our awesome support team and they'd be happy to help you out. Please consider subscribing to our channel for social media marketing tips to help you grow your business. Thanks for watching. Happy posting.